Hi, I'm Dave Francis, National Safety Director for Little Giant Ladders. I want to introduce you to the Little Giant LT. Now, you don't want to go out and get the rickety old ladder out of the back of the shed or back the car out of the garage. And so what happens normally is people will end up climbing up on chairs or countertops. A lot of household accidents happen because we're not using the ladder that we're supposed to. We're climbing up on other pieces of furniture. So we want to talk a little bit about the safety of the Little Giant LT. First of all, it's going to be easy to get around because it rolls on wheels. So we'll just tip it back out of the closet, roll it out to where we need to use it. Once you get it to where you're going to use it, simply press the buttons at the top. They'll lock open, and then pull the ladder towards you, and those hinges will lock back into place when it gets to the A-frame position. Now, if you want to make this ladder taller, simply press the rock locks at the bottom. Squeeze until you hear it snap open. Do it on both sides, and then just push the inner section of the ladder, or the section with this palm button, orange button, away from you, and you'll see that it just telescopes down to the desired height. Lock that in place when you get to the desired rung, and then come over to the other side, unlock both, and then tip that back the other direction until you get to the desired height, and then lock those into place. Now that's going to give you a 5-foot, 6-foot, 7-foot, 8-foot, or 9-foot double-sided step ladder. So you can have a person on this side and a person on that side working on a project at the same time. Now, if you're working in any kind of uneven surface, simply adjust the ladder down for that slope. If you're working into a stairwell, bring it all the way down and set that ladder up safely in a staircase. Get to all those hard to reach areas that you couldn't get to with a traditional A-frame ladder. Now, if you're working up against a wall, problem with A-frame ladders is the higher up you go, the further away you get. With the Little Giant, if you simply drop one side down, one rung, it puts the ladder up against the wall into those tight corners. You can come around to this side, climb up, and work directly into the wall instead of leaning off the side and reaching from the side. Now, if I need to get up on the roof, clean out those gutters, get that newspaper off the roof that's been there forever, any kind of those projects, I'm going to push these buttons at the top and then rotate that back around, lock it into position, and then I'm also able to telescope the bottom of the ladder up rung at a time, all the way up to a 20-foot extension ladder. It's flared at the top and the bottom for added support side to side. Big rubber feet so that it grips the ground. Reverse that, press those palm buttons in, rotate this back down around, and then slide that back up into place. And then roll that ladder right back to where you need to go. This is the Little Giant LT.